Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your VW Golf Mk6 battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal cleaner. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for your safety. You'll find the battery typically located under the hood, often on the driver's side. Proper preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer. Now, let's safely disconnect the old battery. It's crucial to always disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent any accidental electrical shorts. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the cable. Once that's done, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal, making sure to set both cables aside so they don't accidentally touch anything. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Before placing it, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the new battery's terminals thoroughly. Now, carefully place the new battery securely into the tray, ensuring it has a snug fit. Remember to connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal, tightening both connections firmly for optimal performance. You're almost done. Double-check that all connections are tight and that the new battery is stable and secure in its tray. Once everything looks good, start your car to verify the new battery is functioning correctly and that all systems are operational. For those looking to improve their financial well-being, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic resource. You can find a link to this book and other helpful deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.